Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your account security with Verizon. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your account security with Verizon, begin by navigating to the Verizon website. Sign in with your current account credentials. From the home screen, locate and click on the Account tab. In the Account menu, find the Security section. Select Manage Security Settings from the available options. You will now see various security features for your account. Look for the option labeled Reset Security Questions. Click on this option to initiate the reset process. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a one-time code. Check your email or SMS for the verification code, then enter it in the provided field. Once verified, you can proceed to set new security questions. Choose your new questions from the drop-down list. Answer each question with an answer that is unique and memorable. After completing your new security questions, click Save Changes. To further enhance your account security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. Navigate to the Two-Factor Authentication section within the Security menu. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication using your preferred method. Confirm your settings and exit the menu. Your account security is now reset and enhanced for better protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.